Hari Om, Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. It's time, so let's get started with our session. As usual, first let's do the prayers and then we'll get started with the session. First, the prayer for Ganesha. Vakratunda Mahakaya Koti Surya Samaprabha Nirvighnam Kuru Me Deva Sarva Karyeshu Sarvada. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत् गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गurave नमः. This shloka, please repeat after me. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Excellent. Let me quickly check if I started the recording. I did. Okay. So as usual, let's do the 13 slokas that we have practiced yesterday. We will do it in continuity and then we'll get started with today's session. So recite along with me. Agranir Gramani Shriman Nyayo Neta Samiranah सहस्रमूर्धा विश्वात्मा सहस्राक्षः सहस्रपात् आवर्तनो निवृत्तात्मा संवृतः संप्रमर्दनः अहः संवर्तको वह्निरनिलो धरणीधरः सुप्रसादः प्रसन्नात्मा विश्वधृग्विश्वभुग्विभुः सत्कर्ता सत्कृतः साधुर्जह्नुर्नारायणो नरः असंख्येयो प्रमेयात्मा विशिष्टशिष्ट कृच्छुचिः सिद्धार्थः सिद्धसंकल्पः सिद्धिदः सिद्धिसाधनः वृषाही वृषभो विष्णुर्वृषपर्वा वृषोदरः वर्धनो वर्धमानश्च विविक्तश्रुतिसागरः सुभुजो दुर्धरो वाग्मी महेन्द्रो वसुदो वसुः नैकरूपो बृहद्रूपः शिपिविष्टः प्रकाशनः ओजस् तेजो द्युतिधरः प्रकाशात्मा प्रतापनः ऋद्धस्पष्टाक्षरो मन्त्रः चन्द्रांशुर्भास्करद्युतिः अमृतांशुद्धवो भानुः शशबिन्दुः सुरेश्वरः औषधं जगतः सेतुः सत्यधर्मपराक्रमः भूतभव्यभवन्नाथः पवनः पावनो नलः कामः कामकृत्कान्तः कामः कामप्रदः प्रभुः युगादिकृत्युगावर्तो नैकमायो महासनः अदृश्यो व्यक्तरूपश्च सहस्रजिदनन्तजित् इष्टो विशिष्टशिष्टेष्टः शिखण्डी नहुषो वृषः क्रोधः क्रोधकृत्कर्ता विश्वबाहुर्महीधरः अच्युतः प्रथितः प्राणः प्राणदो वासवानुजः अपां निधिरधिष्ठानम् अप्रमत्तः प्रतिष्ठितः स्कन्दधरो धुर्यो वरदो वायुवाहनः वासुदेवो बृहद्भानुः आदिदेवः पुरन्दरः. Excellent. The Kshama Stotra we'll do at the end of the session. So those are the 13 slokas that we learned yesterday. So we're going to do the same thing, 1 to 2 words first, and then we will do the full sentences and then the slokas together. Let's get started. Asokastaranastarah Surah Saurirjaneswarah. Together. Surah Saurirjaneswarah. Anukulah Satartah Padmi Padmanibhekshanah. The online devotees, if you can please go on mute, that will be great. It will be very helpful for the other devotees. Please check the left hand corner, bottom left hand corner. If it is not on mute, please go on mute. Thank you. Hari Om. Let's do that one more time. Asokastaranastarah Surah Saurirjaneswarah. I'm going to combine these two. The sa, it will become a double sa here. Anukulasatavartah Padmi Padmanibhekshanah. Now the full sentences. I'm going to take the partition in the middle, giving the full visarga, but when you do the full sentence, all the rules that we learned apply. So when a visarga is followed by a sa, it becomes a double sa. When it is a pa, it becomes fa. So but I'm going to do the partition just for the convenience of learning. As you practice, you can practice along with the rules. Asokastaranastarah Surah Saurirjaneswarah. Anukulasatavartah पद्मी पद्मनिभेक्षणः Excellent. Now let's try the sloka together. Asokastaranastaarah Surasaurirjaneswarah Anukulasatavartah Padmi Padmanibhekshanah. Excellent. Moving to the next one. Padmanabhoravindakshah Padmagarbhah Sarirabhrit Padmagarbhah Sarirabhrit. The first word in this sentence, we shouldn't partition it, we shouldn't divide it. This is the avagraha again, and the avagraha, it is Padmanabha plus Aravindakshaha. It is Lord with lotus in his navel and who has eyes like lotus. So if we break in the middle, the meaning of Aravindakshaha, because will not be there, it will go away. So it has to be said together. It is always Padmanabho Ravindakshaha. That is when the will be combined into the word. So next sentence, 1 to 2 words. Mahardhiruddho Vruddhatma Mahaksho Garudadhwajah. One more time. Padmanabho Ravindakshah Padmagarbhah Sarirabhrit Mahardhiruddho Vruddhatma Mahaksho Garudadhwajah. Full sentences now. Padmanabho Ravindakshah Padmagarbhah Sarirabhrit Mahardhiruddho Vruddhatma Mahaksho Garudadhwajah. Excellent. Now let's try to do the sloka together. Padmanabho Ravindakshah Padmagarbhah Sarirabhrit Mahardhiruddho Vruddhatma Mahaksho Garudadhwajah. Excellent work. Atulah Sarabho. Together. Atulah Sarabho Bhimah Samayajño Havirharihi Sarvalakshana
Lakshanya.
Yes. So online devotees, if you can please go on mute, that will be really helpful. Please go on. Excellent, thank you. Lakshmivan Samitinjayah. One more time. Sarvalakshana Lakshanyo Lakshmivan Samitinjayah. One more time, 1 to 2 words. Atulasharabho bhimah. Samayajño havirharihi. Sarvalakshana-lakshannyo. Lakshmivan Samitinjayah. Now the full sentences. I'm going to give the partition at Bhimah. Atulasharabho Bhimah Samayajño havirharihi. Sarvalakshana-lakshannyo Lakshmivan Samitinjayah. Let's do the sloka together now. Atulasarabho bhimah Samayajño havirharihi. Sarvalakshana-lakshannyo Lakshmivan Samitinjayah. Viksharo Rohito Margo Heturdamodarah Sahah. Together. Heturdamodarah Sahah. Mahidharo Mahabhago Vegavana-mitasanah. One more time. Viksharo rohito margo Heturdamodarah Sahah. Mahidharo Mahabhago Vegavana-mitasanah. Now the full sentences. Viksharo rohito margo Heturdamodarah Sahah. Mahidharo Mahabhago Vegavana-mitasanah. Now the sloka together. Viksharo rohito margo Heturdamodarah Sahah. Mahidharo Mahabhago Vegavana-mitasanah. Udbhavah Shobhano Devah. The full combination now. So Visarga followed by Yaksha. It is the full pronunciation of Visarga, no transformation. So it will be Udbhavah Shobhano Devah. Sri Garbhah Parameswarah. Together. Sri Garbhah Parameswarah. करणं कारणं कर्ता विकर्ता गहनो गुहः. one more time. उद्भवः क्षोभणो देवः श्रीगर्भः परमेश्वरः करणं कारणं कर्ता विकर्ता गहनो गुहः. full sentences now. उद्भवः क्षोभणो देवः श्रीगर्भः परमेश्वरः करणं कारणं कर्ता विकर्ता गहनो गुहः. Let's do the sloka together. उद्भवः क्षोभणो देवः श्रीगर्भः परमेश्वरः करणं कारणं कर्ता विकर्ता गहनो गुहः. Excellent. व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानः स्थानदो ध्रुवः. together. संस्थानस्थानदो ध्रुवः परर्थिः परमस्पष्टः परर्थिः परमस्पष्टः तुष्टः पुष्टः सुभेक्षणः. Now the second three letters together. तुष्टः पुष्टः सुभेक्षणः. Excellent. One more time. व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्थानदो ध्रुवः परर्थिः परमस्पष्टः तुष्टः पुष्टः सुभेक्षणः. Now the full sentences now. व्यवसायो व्यवस्थानः संस्थानस्थानदो ध्रुवः परर्थिः परमस्पष्टः तुष्टः पुष्टः सुभेक्षणः. Excellent. Now let's do the sloka together. Vyavasayo vyavasthanah samsthanasthanado dhruvah pararthih paramaspashtah tuштah puштah subhekshanah. रामो विरामो virajo margo neyo nayo nayah वीरः शक्तिमताम् वीरशक्तिमताम् श्रेष्ठो धर्मो धर्मविदुत्तमः one more time Ramo viramo virajo margo neyo nayo nayah वीरशक्तिमतां श्रेष्ठो धर्मो धर्मविदुत्तमः Now the full sentences Ramo viramo virajo margo neyo nayo nayah वीरशक्तिमतां श्रेष्ठो धर्मो धर्मविदुत्तमः Let's do the sloka together Ramo viramo virajo margo neyo nayo nayah वीरशक्तिमतां श्रेष्ठो धर्मो धर्मविदुत्तमः वैकुण्ठः पुरुषः प्राणः together वैकुण्ठः पुरुषः प्राणः प्राणदः प्रणवः पृथुः प्राणदः प्रणवः पृथुः हिरण्यगर्भः शत्रुघ्नो together हिरण्यगर्भः शत्रुघ्नो व्याप्तो वायुरधोक्षजः one more time वैकुण्ठः पुरुषः प्राणः प्राणदः प्रणवः पृथुः हिरण्यगर्भः शत्रुघ्नो व्याप्तो वायुरधोक्षजः full sentences now वैकुण्ठः पुरुषः प्राणः प्राणदः प्रणवः पृथुः one more time I'm giving the partition for the convenience of learning. If once you practice and once you get comfortable with the sloka, this sentence will go like Vaikuntha Purushah Pranah Pranadah Pranavah Pruthuhu. When we are combining those two, the pa rule will apply there also. हिरण्यगर्भः शत्रुघ्नो व्याप्तो वायुरधोक्षजः Let's do this sloka together. Vaikuntha Purusha Pranaha Pranadah Pranavah Prudhuh Hiranyagarbhah Satrughno Vyapto Vayuradhokshajah Rutus Sudarsanah Kalaha. I gave the half visarga there already, so combination is Rutus Sudarsanah Kalaha Parameshthi Parigraha Ugraha Samvatsaro. Together, Ugra Samvatsaro Daksho Visramo Visvadakshinah. One more time. Rutus Sudarsanah Kalaha Parameshthi Parigraha Ugra Samvatsaro Daksho Visramo Visvadakshinah. Now the full sentences. Rutus Sudarsanah Kalaha Parameshthi Parigraha Ugra Samvatsaro Daksho Visramo Visvadakshinah. Let's do the sloka together. Rutu Sudarsana Kalaha Parameshthi Parigraha Ugra Samvatsaro Daksho Visramo Visvadakshinah. Vistaraha Sthavara Sthanuhu. Together, Vistara Sthavara Sthanuhu Pramanam Bijamavyayam Artho Nartho Mahakoso Mahabhogo Mahadhanah. One more time. Vistarasthavarasthanuhu Pramanam Bijamavyayam Artho Nartho Mahakoso Mahabhogo Mahadhanah. The full sentences. Vistarasthavarasthanuhu प्रमाणं बीजमव्ययम् अर्थोऽनर्थो महाकोशो महाभोगो महाधनः Let's do the sloka together. Vistarasthavarasthanuh pramanam bijamavyayam arthonartho mahakoso mahabhogo mahadhanah anirvinnah स्थविष्ठो भूः धर्मयूपो महामखः. Again, I gave the partition with bhuh because it's easier to practice. Otherwise, it's a full continuous sentence. When you practice and when you get comfortable with it, you can do the full sentence. One more time. Anirvinnasthavishto bhuh dharmayupo mahamakhah. So together it will become bhur dharma. So when you combine those together, the visarga and tha, so it will go like anirvinnasthavishto bhur dharma yupo mahamakhah. So instead of bhuh, think of it as bhur and dharma. Bhur dharma yupo. So it's a half ra there because it is combining with the visarga and tha. So but for our convenience, I'm going to give partition at bhuh. We're going to do the division at bhuh and then separately recite dharma yupo mahamakah. Okay. Nakshatrane mir nakshatri kshamah kshamah samihanah. Together. Kshamah kshamah samihanah. Pardon me, it's kshamah kshamah samihanah. One more time. Anirvinnasthavishto bhuh dharmayupo mahamakhah. Nakshatra mir nakshatri kshamah kshamah samihanah. Let's do the sentence together. One sentence, please repeat after me. Anirvinnasthavishto bhuh dharmayupo mahamakhah. Since this is a new rule with the visarga and dha, I'm going to do the combination also. Try to do it together. If you get it, just practice it that way. But for in our practice, we're just going to divide it. Anirvinnasthavishto bhur dharma yupo mahamakhah. Anirvinnasthavishto bhur dharma yupo mahamakhah. Nakshatrane mir nakshatri kshamah kshamah समीहनः Let's try it together. We're going to do the division. When you practice, if you're very comfortable, just do the full sentences. Anirvinnasthavishto bhuh dharmayupo mahamakhah nakshatra nemir nakshatri kshamah kshamah samihanah yajna ijyo mahejyascha kratuh satram satangatihi sarvadarshi vimuktatma sarvagno jnanamuttamam. One more time. Yajna ijyo mahejyascha kratus satram satangatihi sarvadarshi vimuktatma sarvagno jnanamuttamam. Full sentences now. Yajna ijyo mahejyascha kratus satram satangatihi sarvadarshi vimuktatma sarvagno jnanamuttamam. Let's recite the sloka together. Yajna ijyo mahejyascha kratus satram satangatihi sarvadarshi vimuktatma sarvagno jnanamuttamam. Suvratah sumukhah sukshmah sughoshah sukhadah suhrit. One more time with combination. Suvratah sumukhah sukshmah sughoshah sukhadah suhrit. Manoharo jitakrodho veerabahurvidaranah. One more time. Suvrata sumukha sukshmah sughosha sukhada suhrit. Manoharo jitakrodho veerabahurvidaranah. Now the full sentences. I will give the partition at sukshmah. If you're comfortable when you practice, just apply the same rule. Sukshma sughosha sukhada surat. Suvrata sumukha sukshmah sughosha sukhada suhrit. मनोहरो जितक्रोधो वीरबाहुर्विदारणः Full sentence. We just did it, right? Okay. Now let's recite the sloka together. Subrata sumukha sukshmaha sughosha sukhada suhrit manoharo jitakrodho veerabahurvidaranah. I think that must be it. So the Kshama Stotram, let's recite the 13 slokas together and then do the Kshama Stotram. I think we are a little comfortable with the Kshama Stotram now, so we don't need to practice it. So let's do the stotras in continuity. And one more big milestone today that we have crossed. We are at the halfway mark to the 1,000 names. So it is 108 slokas of names, the 108th one given by the Rishis. And we are at 62, so we have crossed the half mark, so we are making excellent progress. So kudos to all of you. Give yourself a pat on the back. So let's get started and let's do the 13 slokas together, and then we'll do the Kshama Stotram. We're going to go very slow, and we're going to do the breaks in the middle, okay? Asokastaranastarah Surasaurirjaneshwarah Anukulasya tavartah Padmi Padmanibhekshanah Padmanabhoravindakshah Padmagarbhas Sarirabhrit Mahardhiruddho Vruddhatma Mahaksho Garudathvajah Atulasarabho Bhimaha Samayajño Havirharihi Sarvalakshana Lakshanyo Lakshmivan Samitinjayah Viksharo-rohito margo heturdamodarasah Mahidharo mahabhago vegavana-mitasanah Udbhavah Kshobhano devah Stigarbhah Parameswarah Karanam Karanam Karta Vikarta Gahano Guhah Vyavasayo Vyavasthanah Samsthanas Dhruvah Parardhih Paramaspashtah Tushtah Pushtah Subhekshanah Ramo Viramo Virajo Margo Neyo Nayo Nayah Virasaktimatam Shrestho Dharmo Dharma Viduttamah Vaikunthah Purushah Pranah Pranadah Pranavah Pruthuh Hiranyagarbhah Satrughno Vyapto Vayuradhokshajah Rutus Sudarshana Kalah Parameshthi Parigrahah Ugras Samvatsaro Daksho Visramo Visvadakshinah Vistarasthavarasthanuh प्रमाणं बीजमव्ययम् अर्थोऽनर्थो महाकोशो महाभोगो महाधनः अनिर्विण्णस्थविष्ठो भूः धर्मयूपो महामखः नक्षत्रनेमिर्नक्षत्री क्षमः क्षामः समीहनः यज्ञयुज्यो महेज्यश्च क्रतुः सत्रं सताङ्गतिः सर्वदर्शी विमुक्तात्मा सर्वज्ञो ज्ञानमुत्तमम् सुव्रतः सुमुखः सूक्ष्मः सुघोषः सुखदः सुहृत् मनोहरोचितक्रोधो वीरबाहुर्विदारणः. Let's recite this shloka together slowly. Yadaksharapadaprashtam मात्राहीनं तु यद्भवेत् तत्सर्वं क्षम्यतां देव नारायण नमोऽस्तु ते विसर्गबिन्दुमात्राणि पदपादाक्षराणि च न्यूनातिचातिरिक्तानि क्षमस्व पुरुषोत्तम. Excellent. Now let's do the Mangala Shasanam, which is the best wishes for everybody. Mangala Shasana Parairmadacharya Purogamai Sarvaischa Purvairacharya Satkrutāyastu Mangalam Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. With this we will conclude this session. If you have any questions, online devotees, you can unmute yourself and ask now. If not, we will meet again tomorrow.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Hari Om.
Thank you.
Hari Om. You're welcome.
Hari Om. Thank you so much, Andy.
Hari Om. You're welcome. Hari Om.